Welcome, fellow writers, to a journey of honing our craft. Are you eager to enhance your writing skills and take your storytelling to new heights? Today, we'll explore effective strategies and practical tips to help you improve your writing abilities. Let's embark on this transformative adventure. The first step in improving your writing skills is to read widely and voraciously. Dive into books across genres, styles, and authors. Reading exposes you to different writing techniques, expands your vocabulary, and ignites your creativity. So, grab your favorite books and explore the captivating world of words. Writing is a craft that requires practice, so make writing a habit. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to write. Whether it's journaling, short stories, or working on a novel. Consistent practice helps you refine your skills, develop your unique voice, and unlock your full potential as a writer. Before diving into a writing project, spend time brainstorming and outlining your ideas. This process helps you organize your thoughts, establish a clear structure, and prevent writer's block. Create character profiles, plot outlines, or mind maps to give your writing direction and coherence. Writing is a craft that thrives on feedback. Seek constructive criticism from trusted sources, such as fellow writers, writing groups, or mentors. Feedback provides valuable insights, highlights areas for improvement, and helps you refine your work. Embrace feedback as a tool for growth, and continually strive to enhance your writing skills. Editing is an essential part of the writing process. Polish your work by revising for clarity, eliminating unnecessary words, and refining sentence structure. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and spelling to ensure your writing is polished and professional. Remember, great writing is often a result of meticulous editing. Expand your vocabulary to enrich your writing. Discover new words, explore synonyms, and experiment with different linguistic devices. A broad vocabulary allows you to express yourself with precision and adds depth to your storytelling. So, embrace the world of words, and let them paint vivid pictures in the minds of your readers. Today, I encourage you to embark on a journey of growth as a writer. Immerse yourself in reading, make writing a regular practice. Outline your ideas, seek constructive feedback, refine your editing skills, and expand your vocabulary. Remember, writing is a lifelong learning process, and each step you take brings you closer to mastery. Thank you for joining me on this transformative quest to improve our writing skills. With dedication, practice, and a thirst for knowledge, you can evolve as a writer and create compelling stories that resonate with readers. Embrace the joy of writing. Unleash your creativity, and let your words inspire the world. Until next time.